All right, guys, girls, we are back. Part 2 for your lateral sweep. We're looking at the upper half now, from the hips up, all right? We are going to ask them to take their hand and place it behind their head. So he's going to do the other side now so you guys can see. So his hand's behind his head. Now what I want to do is just have him come into a small crunch. I'm going to slide my arm underneath, and I want to anchor it right over here on the outside of his armpit, lat, tricep connection, okay? If you have a towel, you can put the towel on the table. It'll help you slide your arm a little bit more. Or if you don't, your arm can just slide across your table, okay? But literally, we're gonna sweep his trunk the same way we kind of swept his legs, and you guys will see this as we go. So, Jay, just do a little crunch for me, okay? You're gonna let him come back down. The head is gonna rest more so on the bicep. For me, it's kind of at the elbow bicep crook of my arm. I've got a little firm support over here. This arm will just stay here. You can pin the inside hip to prevent this from moving towards you. And all we're going to do is just gently now slide your arm towards you as we take his body into a crescent or a lateral movement. And so the hip shouldn't pop up too much. If it does, we can reach across and apply that downward pressure. But a lot of the times they're gonna feel this through this component, your lats, the rib cage maybe. And we can add that counter lever from here. And that extra little stretch from here. So nothing crazy. I can have him do a little bit of an active movement. Once he's in this position, I can have him take this arm, reach it up towards the ceiling, and then reach it towards the camera as he's almost trying to roll himself. And then come back down and relax. And we can see if we have a little bit more range, which gives us a tiny bit more. And so this is a good one to work through. It's not gonna be one you're gonna stay in for a long time. To have them go back, you just remove your arm and have them reset themselves to their comfort level, all right? So that is your supine trunk lateral sweep. Can also be done from a seated position. Many people have seen that. You can use your leg, have them bend over you. I may or may not do a video on that one as well. But just so you guys have an idea, if you're always doing the lower half of the lateral sweep and you're neglecting the upper half, and they're only feeling it in their hip or their low back or their spinal erectors down by the lumbar, the upper half is going to help free up some of this tissue through here. If you keep their arm down, they're not going to get that lat stretch. So as I said, have them place the hand behind their head if they can. It's going to help start to stretch this already. And then you have that nice side bend to facilitate the full range of that stretch. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in your next video.